Miss Janine, come on in, because today I'm going to explain 5 mistakes that people make when they open claims. But first, I got a bone to pick with all my play cousins, family, and friends. Now listen, I've been out for a couple of days because I've been down with the crooks or something, whatever's going around, but I'm back. And in reviewing the videos that I have put up, there's one that stood out in particular. It's this one right here. You see this right here? How many people saw this video right here? And if you saw this video, why y'all didn't tell me my wig cap was showing? The dang on wig cap all up and through showing. Nobody put a comment in the comments. Nobody text me, call me, email to say, girl, you know your wig cap is showing. Y'all got me out there all on Front Street, wig just showing. Y'all don't, I have issues with this wig because I got my wig girl. And honey, she be telling me how good she think I'm looking. But baby, the day I put this video out, didn't nobody have the nerve to tell me, Janine, your wig cap showing. Now I'm counting on each and every last one of y'all to tell me from now on if I'm just not hitting the mark. If my wig crooked, tell me. I got something in my teeth, tell me. Don't let me be out here just walking around thinking I'm doing it and I'm jacked all the way up. So now that I got that off my chest, let's get on with what I'm here to tell you. So now y'all listen. There are 5 major mistakes that most people make when they put in a claim. Now I'm going to give you those 5. First thing is this. Most people do not take the time to read their policy to find out what type of policy they have. If you don't understand what's in your policy, call your agent and find out the type of policy you have and if it's going to cover the type of damages that you currently have. Read your policy to find out if it covers theft. Do you know some policies don't cover theft? You can have your whole house robbed and ain't a dang on thing the insurance company's going to do about it because it don't cover theft. If you don't understand your policy, feel free to go through my prior videos. I'm explaining it all, or call your agent or ask a friend to help you decipher it. The next tip is this. What most people fail to do is write down all the information about their damages that they can. And now, when you tell your adjuster that, oh, this was damaged too, they're going to ask you to prove it. And if you haven't wrote down, videotaped, photographed anything, then you outstanding in a court. You don't have no proof that the thing that you want to claim was actually damaged. So write down everything that pertains to the claim that you have for the current damages. Don't let no stone go unturned unless you make a note of it, a videotape or a photograph. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. So go ahead and take that information down. It's going to help your case in the long run. The next thing most people fail to do is to report their claim or their damages in a timely manner. Because you didn't report that damage in a timely manner, you got constant and continual seepage, which is a thing in your policy. All those additional damages that you have, that you wouldn't have had if you had reported this claim in a timely manner, is now stacked up on you. So when you do put that claim in, they're going to try and find out what took you so long to put it in, if this extra damage could have been avoided, if it should be denied, or should I give you a lesser amount for the damages that you have, because the rest of it is continual seepage from the original damage. Now, reporting your claim on time can help you out in the long run if you have to defend your damages and the things you're trying to claim. The next thing a lot of people fail to do is to get help with your claim. If you got a claim for damages, let's say you got water damage again, and you got a claim in, and you don't understand half of what your desk adjuster is telling you, Don't sit there and play like you know, because you're going to just do yourself more harm than good. What you need to do is this. There are people out there, their whole job is helping people navigate the waters for the insurance company when they have claims. People like public adjusters. There's some public adjusters out there are great at what they do, and they can be your mouthpiece and walk through that claim for you. Now keep in mind, that public adjuster is going to charge you a fee, probably about 25% of what you get from the insurance company. But if you don't know what you're doing, you may need some help. And in addition, if you don't want to do that, you can always call a friend that may understand what's in a policy. If that friend is on the internet with her channel, and that is a licensed adjuster through the state of Florida, and you subscribe to her channel, she'd be glad to try to explain what those big words in those policy is, and maybe give you some pointers to point you in the right direction. Now, lastly, do not put everything back together in pristine condition after you have damages in your house. A lot of people do that because they want to get everything back in order as quickly as possible. If you're going to put in a claim, this is what you need to do. If you have a leak in your house or a slab leak, and let's say they had to open the floor to access the pipe, let them go and fix the pipe. That's going to help you contain some of that water, and it's not going to get any worse. So take all your damaged goods, if you have to. Take them up. Put them outside the house, around the house, in the garage. If you have to take that carpet up because it got wet, take it up. Take it out your house so you won't have it in there stinking. Take it up, roll it up, put it outside on the side of the house, put it in the garage, wherever you can keep it until your claim is settled. Because you don't know if the desk adjuster is going to come back, ask you to send a picture of whatever you claiming or what have you. Hang on to it as long as you can until your claim is settled. Now, once that claim is settled and you got your monies to replace your content and fix your counter and replace your floor, you can do what you want to do with all that other stuff that got wet and damaged from the water. Heck, throw it away, keep it, wash it, put it back, whatever the case may be. But you have to hang on to it instead of throwing it out so that you can prove your case and anything that you plan on claiming due to the damage that you have in your house. Well, I hope that information helps somebody not make a mistake when they put their claim in to the insurance company. And if you think the information that I'm sharing is good information, please consider subscribing to my channel. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you want me to explain, and I will. And I'll talk to you next time.